Hey y'all, it's Brandon with Voodoo Forge, and as promised, in this project video, we're going to be making this, see if I get it where you can see it, maybe adjust the light differently. Going to be making this steel bamboo or cane, and what we're doing, we're taking Schedule 40 pipe, and I'm using a chop fuller, and we neck this down, fuller this down, about halfway, and then let everything cool off. And then taking a welding tip on an oxyacetylene, you can heat this and drive it onto itself to make this bamboo-like joint. So I'm going to be walking you through the process step by step, and this is, once again, this is just another cool element that you can add to things. I mean, this, all kinds of places you can use a piece of steel bamboo. Come on. Starting material is 18 inches of 1/2 inch ID, Schedule 40 pipe. Okay, I'm going to be using my chop fuller for this to do the fullering on the Schedule 40. I've had this a long time. I didn't do any of the welding on it. I cut the parts. But this is, I made this out of leaf spring off of tractor trailer leaf spring off of the tractor. And it has served me well, but I always clamp it down to one of my switch blocks. It gives me more mass and makes it a little easier. One of the key points when you're using this, you want to make sure that the material you've got in there isn't tilted at all one direction or the other. It'll make for a cleaner fuller. So start my first fuller, about 3 inches in. Got to be easy when you're starting it. Remember, when you're fullering it, keep it as level as possible. Check everything. Tightening down my seat clamps real quick. How well you can see it. I've been rotating. I've got a major flat right there. Got to work that out in the next heat. Trying to get that flat out where it was uneven. That should be okay right there. You don't want to get it too thin because you've got to collapse it in, and it's a bit of a bore. I'm going to straighten it over here on the end. Okay, I've got this fuller down about halfway. You don't go any tighter than that because you're going to need to force this material back in and get that bulge. At this point, I'm going to use oxyacetylene with a welding tip to heat this area on the bottom first. You need to make sure you wear proper eye protection when you're doing it. Drive it straight down, keep it as straight as you can. It's going to take a few of these, but just keep it as straight as you can. You have to take it out during the process, straighten it in a vise. The main thing is just keep this straight as you're driving it down. If you get off kilter, it'll snap. It's not good. So keep it as straight as you can. So you're trying to drive the forward part down and also fasten the end at the same time. Once you already have it going pretty good and starting to collapse on the bottom, start to heat the top, the bottom, and the forward section, the stem. And drive it in good. All right, well, there we have it. Little links, joints, I'm not sure what you call them, in the bamboo. And because bamboo, you know, when you cut it, you have to cut it at an angle if you're using a machete or anything but a saw. And who cuts bamboo with a saw? So, gonna cut both ends at a 45. So I've got this thing cut off at 45, but we're not making punji sticks, so a little grinder time. Okay, got that cleaned up. Now let's clean it all up with the wire wheel. Get that scale off. Okay, here's our finished product. This is the one that you watched me forge. I'm not sure how good this is picking up on the camera. You can see that like they're not all completely even. There's some that are a little off, and that's great. Like this one right here, it's not 100% straight where they were forged together, and that gives it a natural look. That's what you're going for, is that not 100% planned look. And you can, as you do these, you can learn how to do that more or less with heating with your torch. Just make sure when you're compressing these areas, just go slow, keep it straight. You could see in the time-lapse video how many times I took it out and straightened it, because it is kind of difficult to keep it straight because you're hammering way up higher than normal, and it's oh well, it's easy to get crooked. That's the sum of it. But that's our end products. Well, that was easy enough. So I've got a couple of pieces here of the steel bamboo. One thing I will give you a quick warning about is if you're forging tubing, steel tubing, or any kind of tubing at all, be careful about quenching it. A lot of people will try to go quench the end of it in the quench bucket. When they do, it shoots steam and boiling water back up to the tubing and burn them. So watch yourself on that. Best thing to do is just don't quench it. Just let it air cool. But what can you do with this? These pieces that I've made this go around, I actually made to make some door pulls for my display. I'm running a little short, so just like I did with the angle iron door pull, I'm going to make some door pulls out of these. I'm not going to do a video on that. That's just pretty self-explanatory. A couple of pieces, plates. But you can use these in trellises, all kinds of things in the garden. I mean, it's really up to you. That's forged bamboo or cane out of Schedule 40. So I hope y'all got something out of this, and if you liked the video, please hit the like button down there. That helps me out. And also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And you can also find my business over at Voodoo Forge on Facebook. And Voodoo, Tennessee is where that backs up all our videos. All of the videos go out there first, and we'll keep you posted to anything we're doing in that line on there. But anyway, it's been fun. Y'all behave yourself.